Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and today we are gonna be recapping the price action from Friday, May 22nd, where I took 3 trades, all being losses. This was half hour and this was half hour. Well, this was a full 1 hour loss. So overall, I am down another 2 hour. So yeah, pretty bad things happening right now. I think I'm down about 2.5 R on this week or close to it. Yeah, I don't know. Price has just not been it, at least for me. I feel like we initiate moves that look really good, and then somewhere in the middle we just snap and we have some kind of news or something just happens, and then we reverse, things start to change, then we have another set of news and price comes back up. I don't know, it's just frustrating. This week has been hell for me. If it hadn't been for that Monday pre-market trade, so pre-market actually was decent. New York was a complete mess. So if it hadn't been for that to our win on Monday, yeah, I don't know what would happen, because so I don't know. I probably will be down another 2 hour or something, because Monday was bad as well. So let's get into things from the daily chart. The previous day was bullish. I don't know. Everything was pointing up. YM was crazy bullish to its all-time highs. So I was just expecting bullishness. I wanted to see 50% of the previous candles range be held and then look for the all-time highs. From the 7 hour, we simply opened up higher, and then in London we took this Asian low, making this SMT like this with the other assets, but nothing too significant. The draw was still the same to the upside, so yeah, nothing changed midday for me. I was still being bullish. Also, just by looking at this 1 hour, so right before 9:30, so right before 9 o'clock opening, we CSD'd above these down close candles, and this pretty much confirmed my daily profile, in the sense that we took the low of the one more time, and then I was just looking to trade this bullish to all-time highs. Should I have been worried about this high? I don't know, not really. It was in close proximity to this. So yeah, coming into 9:30, so 9:30 is here, and I was expecting exactly this. So I was expecting a strength switch to happen at 9:30, and I was expecting NQ to catch up to these highs that YM showed that it was failing to manipulate. So we had a failure to manipulate these highs. So I was looking to trade NQ with a strength switch up to these highs. So dropping to the 1 minute chart, I initially wanted to get in on this rally gap with my stop on this low and looking to trade them up till here. But I wanted to wait a little bit and see the reaction out of this. And we had this really nice reaction. And I took this half risk because I ideally want to see all of the assets CISD. And I was pretty sure that NQ being this strong would get us up to here. So that is why I took half risk with my stop on this low, even though YM didn't CISD, just because the conviction on us going higher on NQ was just so high, and it didn't make sense for me to just put myself break even once we crossed this high of day, because we were just so close to it. And I was thinking that if we were to go down below this low, I wanted to see at least this and maybe all of these stacked lows. So that is why I just kept my stop in place. And I really wanted to see just NQ rip to the upside after seeing YM also bringing back some strength and looking like it made its bottom. But yeah, I got stopped out. This didn't look like a reversal to me. This still looked like a retracement back into, let's see on the 5 minute if we have anything on this. So it looked like a retracement back into this gap, but something changed at 10 o'clock. So at 10 o'clock, we had news, and okay, I was thinking, yeah, news could manipulate. We go down below these lows and we CISD. But I didn't like the follow through. And once we closed, I was taking a look also at what the other assets were doing. And I've seen that here we had the SMT on the high. So the other assets weren't going up. So I was thinking, are we actually gonna take these lows? Because the way 10 a.m. traded, we had a really, really small wick. We could just go and expand to all of these lows that I really wanted to see taken yesterday. We had a whole lot of liquidity just resting here. So this really screwed up the way I saw this session. And that is why I entered here with a safe stop above this 4-hour candle. So because we opened up a new 4-hour candle at 10 a.m. This was not only the 10 a.m. High, but also like the 10 a.m. 1-hour candles high, but also the 4-hour high. So yeah, I entered here with my stop on this, looking to get back my loss and something more below these lows that were made from yesterday's PM session. So yeah, as you can see, we went down just a little bit below these lows, and then we started just grinding back up. And I don't know why I took this last trade though, because after seeing this bad of a price action where our initial draw was higher, then we invalidate that idea and start going lower and then start grinding back up. Sorry, I probably should have just closed the charts and be done with it, because this wasn't clear, and this was also 12 o'clock. So I don't know, I'm in a bad place mentally. This, I don't know. I've seen that we had this SMT and then we CISD'd on all of the assets, and my entry was somewhere here. I don't know, because the executions don't show up again because it's past day close, and I don't know. Yeah. So yeah, I wanted to take this with my stop on this SMT low to that high, half risk, getting back what I lost, etc. So yeah, probably not the best trade. Yeah, and anything else just looked messy. I mean, you can just see, even on the 15 minutes, I don't know, it was just messy. It was all over the place. Yeah. Pretty bad week. I don't know if I'm gonna take any trades on Monday, given that it's a public holiday. And just if we have some major news and we have some volatility, I might look into taking a trade. But yeah, other than that, this was a horrible week for me. And I'll probably do a video just on this week, so like recapping what went wrong, what can I improve. I think I was just I was lost, just looking for trades on the lower time frames, because let's say I was bullish on the 1 hour, but on the 5 minute we disrespect the 50%. But yeah, we still grind up higher even though we disrespected that. So I don't know, I kind of lost that. I was just bad. Yeah, this is gonna be it, guys. Thank you so much for watching these. If you enjoyed these types of recaps where I just grind myself, please make sure to hit that like button and the subscribe button. And I'll probably see you Saturday or Sunday with a lecture recapping all of this mess. Peace, guys.